Hello everyone and welcome back. This season, one variety of pepper that has been a great yielder of pods in my garden has been the peri-peri. This pepper of species Frutescens is also known as piri-piri in Portugal and the African bird's eye. I also have this plant in the back garden. After harvesting, we have ended up with enough to make a batch of my version of peri-peri sauce. So let's get cracking. Here are all the ingredients for the recipe. For a little extra sweetness, flavour and bulk, I decided to add 2 sweet bell peppers and a few pepperoncino peppers. I will of course leave the full list of ingredients in the video description. With my trusty Ninja blender at the ready, I'm going to place the peppers, garlic and onion in the blender and give them a blend first. I like to blend the peppers, onion and garlic first because it makes it easier to incorporate the remaining ingredients rather than just throwing everything in all at once. I'm now going to add the rest of the ingredients except for the oil into the blender and process until everything is mixed in well. This is looking good. I like to scrape down the sides of the blender before adding the oil. This isn't really necessary, but I do it out of habit. It won't really matter because as we add the oil, the mixture will combine anyway. The great thing about this blender is it has a corner opening. This is handy because it allows for the sauce to continue to blend without it blasting out everywhere. This enables me to add the oil safely and slowly so that everything emulsifies. This is especially vital in my hot sauces that require xanthan gum to help emulsify peppers, brine and vinegar and keep them from separating. If I add the xanthan gum to hot sauce and the blender isn't running, the xanthan gum will clump up and can ruin the sauce. But anyway, we are just going to continue to add the oil slowly in a thin stream with the blender running. After having blended all the ingredients, it has that signature orange colour similar to the Nando's brand of sauce, and the consistency is perfect. All we need to do now is check the pH. Again, it's better to be safe than sorry. This came out with a pH of 3.8, so it should be shelf stable. However, I'm going to take it a step further and transfer the sauce into a saucepan and bring it to the boil. As soon as the sauce has come to the boil, I'm going to turn off the heat and allow it to cool. I'm only doing this to help the flavours combine. I don't need to cook the sauce. Bringing this to boiling point also eliminates the need for canning the jars. Before we store our sauce, I'm going to give it one last blend for good luck. And have a look at that. I had a taste of this, it was amazing. It's so much better than store-bought. Now, I'm just going to pour the sauce into clean, sterilised and sanitised mason and jam jars. And that is my take on peri-peri sauce. Let me know in the comments if you tried this and how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you same chilli time, same chilli channel.